Hello. The verb be in present form. In positive sentences, we use the subject plus be. Is, am, are. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. His. She is. Shiz. It is. Its. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. They're. I'm. You're. His. Shiz. Its. We're. You're. There. Negative. Is plus not. Isn't. Are plus not. Aren't. I am. I am not. You are. You are not. He is. He is not. She is. She is not. It is. It is not. We are. We are not. You are. You are not. They are. They are not. I'm not. You're. You aren't. His. He isn't. She's. She isn't. It's. It isn't. We're. We aren't. You're. You aren't. They're. They aren't. Question. Be plus subject. Be is, am, are. I am. Am I? You are. Are you? He is. Is he? She is. Is she? It is. Is it? We are. Are we? You are. Are you? They are. Are they? Thank you.